was a Sunday morning full of chaos, tears, and disruption at the Gulzar house near the iconic Charminar in Hyderabad. At least 17 innocent people lost their lives, of whom 5 died due to smoke inhalation. The fire broke out at around 6:30 am on the ground floor of the Sri Krishna Pearls building and soon spread to the upper floors of the 3-story structure. Firefighters and disaster response officials rushed to the spot immediately. How did the fire break out? A short circuit is suspected to have caused the inferno.
18th of May, 17 people have died because of a fire incident, a fire accident that took place near Gulzar House, Old City, Hyderabad, Telangana. Several have been injured due to the fire. A lot of shops which were in the first floor have been destroyed. It's a 3-storied building. In the second and the third floor, the owners of the shops live where they reside. Unfortunately, many people have been injured and 5 people have died due to the smoke inhalation. The PMO office has promised 2 lakh rupees of ex gratia to the next of each kin of the deceased people and 50,000 for injured. Bhatti Vikramarka, the Deputy CM of Telangana, has promised 5 lakh rupees of ex gratia to the kin of deceased people. As of now, it has been stated by the Mayor of Hyderabad, GHMC, Gadwal Vijay Lakshmi, that this fire incident happened due to a short circuit which has led to buildings in the first floor, in the ground floor actually, to have been destroyed because of the fire.
The rescue operations took 4 hours as the lanes were so narrow, which made it difficult for the firefighters to rescue several occupants. The injured were shifted to 3 different hospitals, and it is reported that the condition of 2 of them is quite critical. Prime Minister Modi announced 2 lakh rupees for each victim's family and 50,000 rupees for the injured. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy also promised full support to the affected ones in the incident. AIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi also visited the site, and so did the BJP State Chief G. Kishan Reddy. Telangana Deputy Chief Minister Mallu Bhatti Vikramarka also visited the Osmania General Hospital and interacted with the family of the deceased victims.
The government is extending all kinds of medical help and the expenditure also.
Telangana Minister Ponnam Prabhakar visited the site and said the government will review fire safety measures.
सरकार के तरफ से अभी चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने उन फैमिली से भी बात किया है. सरकार के तरफ से उस फैमिली का पूरा सपोर्ट करेंगे. ऐसा इंसिडेंट आगे नहीं होना बोल के पूरा फायर सेफ्टी के तरफ से पूरा रिव्यू करेंगे और जो पब्लिक भी इसका सपोर्ट करना है. और डिपार्टमेंट का एकदम से काम नहीं चलेगा, पब्लिक का भी सपोर्ट होना चाहिए. ये इंसिडेंट हैपेंड हुआ, ये संगठन बहुत दुरदृष्ट है और इसके पूरा जितने भी फैमिली हो गए उनका सरकार तेलंगाना सरकार से पूरा मदद मिलेगा.
As investigations begin and promises of aid are made, what remains are the unbearable losses suffered by the families.
After the ghastly fire incident broke out early in the morning near Old City, Charminar, 17 people were brought here at the Osmania General Hospital. 17 were declared dead. Along with them, many injured were attended by the doctors here at the hospital. Afternoon around 3 o'clock, each and every deceased person was sent back to their family. As the dead people were returned back to their families around 3 in the afternoon for the final rites and the rituals to take place by the family members of the deceased. As of now, none of the injured people are at the hospital. All of them have taken ahead to Yashoda and Apollo hospitals respectively, as the people showed interest to get treatment in private hospitals than in government hospitals. This is Dheera reporting for the Federal.